13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There's 19 screws who hold that thing together. Good day, gentlemen and ladies. The subject about my video today is a leaf blower that I received from a promotion team called PATOOLIO or PATOOLIO. All right, I'm gonna have the name right here, so therefore sorry about my pronunciation. The leaf blower, it's a cordless 630 CFM. It's got 4000 microampere per hour. A battery also included with the charger. The charger also comes with the short circuit protection in case of a lithium problem. Now the nice thing inside that box, that the engine speed 25,000 RPM and the wind speed 160 miles per hour. Now that speed, oh my god. So stick around, I'm gonna open that puppy box, and thank you very kindly for this the team to send me this trial, their leaf blower. They said in the comment they like my sense of humor, my honesty, and also my way of life. All right, so stick around, folks. Let's open that puppy. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna use my famous bayonet to with the famous wood color pattern, and I'm gonna open it carefully. All right, because I don't want to break it. Wow. Oh, okay. It's almost. All right. So open that. What's in there? You order June 18. Yes, I received it. Today we're the Monday, the 23rd of June, and it was sent to me the 18th. I received it last night on Sunday. I know at 5 o'clock I was eating there, it was not there, and then I went to brush my teeth. After each supper, each meal, do you brush your teeth, do you flush your teeth? It's very important. All right. Anyway, I came back and the package was there. So, all right, so let's open that box. Oh, there's another box in there. Oh my goodness. Oh, all right, so I'm just gonna discard that box. It's a well packaged, huh? So what do we have in there? So we have the, okay, it's PATOOLIO. All right, so I'm just gonna show you that. So it's a cordless leaf blower, 20V max, lithium ion, leading the new fashion in patio and lawn. All right, it's got a brushless motor, powerful performance, 5-speed turbo, and a longer working time. What is it in there? It's got the customer service. All right, I don't know if you can see that with my light, where it's too close, but the postal address, the phone number in US and also in Canada from Monday to Friday Pacific time. All right, and there's a Facebook and YouTube also official. It's made in China. Yes, it's got even the address in China too. All right, so let's open that box, and yeah, it's kind of it's there. All right. Oh my God, yeah, it is well packed. Maybe I'm gonna smell the air from China. Yeah, do use a sharp knife because the tape they use is pretty good, pretty thick tape. It's not the normal packing tape. It's a really good tape. All right. So I'm going to open that. All right. There's the instruction manual, which I'm gonna read. All right. Oh, there's the very well packed item. Very nice. My goodness. strong plastic. Look at that. Woo. Man, it's not cheap. Not even. No bang. Oh man, no marks. Pretty good plastic, I'd say. Pretty good connection too. Wow. There's another plastic tube in here. Wow, so I guess they have different setups. So I'm just gonna put that like this. Put this in there. Alright. That must be very big box. Just gonna put that there. Okay. There's the 20V max lithium 4.0 mAh. Yes, can work under the sun. Read the instruction. Do not put near fire under the water, and don't throw it in the garbage. Lithium voltage 20V, capacity 4 Ah. This I will have to look. 80 watts per hour. Yeah. Yeah, very good, very good. It's got a light indicator, all right. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, that light there. I like that. All right, it's not fully charged, eh? Okay. There's the charging unit. All right. And you know what? Very well built. There's a light there. Good contact, strong contact too. Very thick contact here. And if I put it like this, is it? Wow, pretty good. It's locking in place, so there's no way it's going down. So I like that. Now, without even reading the instruction, each time that you have a battery, the first thing you need to do, don't use it. Recharge it. So you're gonna see me putting live the battery charger right there, and of course there's the red line there is charging. It is very important to always recharge your battery. Okay, the first thing you open, especially and when it's brand new, the first recharge will have an impact of the battery life. Is it well said? The first charge of your battery. So don't use the battery, charge it first, because if you use it, even if it was charged at 3/4 of the battery, it will have an impact on the length of the battery life. Do you understand? I do. Anyway, so let's continue opening. Wow, I'm excited. Oh, there's the beast. Just hold on, I'm gonna make myself a little speed place. All right, there's a very nice carrying strap. Very good quality strap, I'd say. I'm a former all-sea aircraft life support equipment, and very nice stitches too. Very nice quality. I really like that. I'm impressed. Now the hardware, I hope is stainless steel, because that will rust pretty bad. But again, you don't supposed to use that under the rain, under the sun. Yes, but not. Perhaps the snow. I know they rated you can blow snow with that, so that's probably the only time you'll be exposed with humidity. But it's the plastic shoulder. Yeah, it's kind of rubberized. I wonder how it works. I'm gonna throw that in the freezer, alright? There we go. See how it works at minus, my freezer it's minus 35 degrees Celsius in there, so it's kind of cool. Alright, so let's talk about the unit here. So, it's got various control. There's the speed, the turbo, that will be the max out. Then, is there a reverse? That would be interesting to try. Alright, now the quality of the plastic is the same plastic of that. I'm very impressed, like, come on. Not even a mark on that. That's pretty impressive. Not even cracking. Wow. I wonder if I throw that in there. I'm gonna throw that in my freezer. to do a further test on that. All right, so I can see the engine. I don't know, it's tough to see in there. If I had the light, let's hold down. Let me try something. All right, the thing is working. All right, now if I do this, yes, try to have a look in there. I hope you're able to see the lights, the turbo fan in there. All right, that should be yeah, quite a. And I'm looking at the wire too to feed the engine. Pretty thick wire there. Yeah, pretty thick. I can see the electrical engine. There's a big drive shaft, by the way, on that electric engine. All right, I really like that. Just put my flashlight back there with my welding helmet drying for 3 months now. All right. That's supposed to cut all the filter. It's kind of yeah, that's pretty good. All right. The filter compartment, usually they have a filter. It's very nice, so it will cut a lot of large item. All right. The handle, the rubberized part of the handle is pretty grip. I like it. It's not the same plastic. It's a very nice. It said brushless. The engine, the electrical engine, is brushless. All right. Oh, I can see where the bracket is attached there. All right. Now, how it mounts? So. Okay, whoops. This go at the end. So if I just hold on, I'm gonna take the thing in there. Okay, no, that's the end of the thing. It's not pretty. It's not frozen yet, but definitely. Okay, this is the end. So I'm gonna throw that back in the freezer. We're doing some cold testing. All right, so let's just go like that. Very nice. Wow. And strong and secure, and then you can have the stuff. Oh, what is it in there? Okay, it's got the this is the European product, cordless leaf blower, model C1, DC voltage 20 volt, 23,000 RPM. What did I said there when I said the RPM? It was 25. So it's 23, not 25. All right, sorry about that. And 5-speed turbo made in China. It's got the European sticker. This I don't know what it is. And read the instruction, don't throw it in the garbage. All right, folks. So what I will do, stick around. Probably it would take a good 12 hours for the battery to charge, and I will leave the other portion in the freezer for 12 hours. So see you tomorrow, and I will then I'm gonna do further testing. And thank you very kindly for the PATOOLio Leo. I'm gonna read and highlight. You know how much I like reading manual through and putting. Highlighting stuff, and that's what I will do. All right, and I will show you the book and everything. But so far, by the look of it, I'm very impressed. I tested it on the warm weather. Right now outside my house is 21.8 degrees Celsius, and I have 46% of humidity. So in my freezer, like I told you, it's quite polar free. So I'm eager to try the plastic, but I can tell you right now, it's a very good plastic quality. All right. So, stick around. Cheers! Alright folks, so let's go together looking at that boat. So it's the book, it's the PATOOLio. It's the user manual, cordless leaf blower. Before using this product, please read this manual carefully and keep it for further references. Alright.
Illustration of product and accessories and user manual are for references purpose only. Actual product function may vary due to the product enhancement. All right, so it's the C1. All right. There's always the important safety instruction, general safety. All right, to take the time to read each one of them. Electric safety, this is the most important one, because with I'm just gonna put a sticker like this. It's the this one is very, especially with electricity, you know, with the Li-ion batteries, you need to take care. All right. Do not operate the leaf blower in the explosive environments such as near flammable liquid, gas, dust, and gas or dust, and the motor may produce spark, including fumes. All right. Do not use the leaf blower during an approaching thunderstorm. We all understand that. Avoid body contact with grounded surfaces such as pipe to reduce the risk of electric shock. Yes. Keep the leaf blower dry. Do not expose it to rain or wet condition. Do not handle the battery charger or the leaf blower with wet hands. Of course, it's very important. Before charging, inspect the power outlet and charge cable for sign of damage or aging. It's very important. There's fires occurring because of that. A charger cable for sign of damage, aging. All right. Battery safety. We all know. Do not have charged with another charger. This is one safety element. All right. Do not charge the battery pack if the surrounding temperature of the battery pack is below 30 degrees Fahrenheit or above 115 Fahrenheit. All right. And always battery pack recycling. All right, very important. Package content. I really like that. So the leaf blower, the blower tubes, the shoulder strap was there, battery pack was there, battery charger, and also the user manual. Pretty good review. All right, that's telling you all the items like I show you on the video. All right. The battery charger, the charging indicator, charger plugs, everything is in there. Tell you the specs. It's 2300 max RPM, the 5-speed, and 4 ampere hour. All right, assembly. It's pretty well self-explanatory. The image said it all, like boom, 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 and then. Attaching the blower, align the bayonet with the hooks and secure them surely. All right, it's very important there. All right, note to remove the blower, press the upper lower tube. This is a very well made book, by the way. This is very nice. Battery pack instruction. There's the green and red indicator. Warning, ensure the battery pack is fully charged before installing and using it for the first time. What did I say? All right, very important. Ensure the battery pack is fully charged before installing for the first time. Disconnect the battery charger properly once the battery pack is fully charged to prevent overcharging. This is, I'm going to use my my red marker on that. Ooh, it's a brand new red marker. Just hold on. Disconnect the battery charger properly once the battery pack is overcharging. Very important here. All right. Do not let these battery always stand on. All right. We tend to forget that, and that includes myself. All right. Installing the battery pack. That's pretty self-explanatory. Okay. Just laminate in there. There's a good lock in there. Pretty good. Warning. Do not install the battery pack until the blower tube are completely attached. Of course. Use the battery pack exclusively with the leaf blower. If any defect with the battery pack, discontinue use immediately. Very important. Attach shoulder straps. All right, that's where it is attached. All right. Operational instruction. Hold the handle. Aim, lower the blower tube at the leaf and the dust, then turn the blower and adjust the speed effectively to sweep away. All right. Pretty good image. Power on. Yes. Press the power button. Okay. After powering on the blower, each press of the speed adjusts the cycle. Okay. This is the how fast you want to have the power. So it was not reverse, it's just the speed. All right. After powering the blower, press the turbo to enable the turbo function. All right. Maintenance and storage. Maintenance. Remove the battery pack when the leaf blower is not in use or before performing any maintenance task. All right. Check obviously defects such as loose, dislodge, fixing, worn and damaged loose part. Do not use water, solvent, and polish to clean the leaf blower. Wipe clean with a dry cloth. Avoid using cleaning agent or solvent. Very important. Electrical thing. Always dry cleaning, basically with a dry rag. Do not use abrasive material to clean the leaf blower, or do not immerse in the water, of course. Storage. Idle storage. Idle range. Store the leaf blower, battery pack, and battery charge in a dry, ventilated place, ideally between 41 degrees Celsius to 140 degrees Celsius, so 5 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Avoid extreme heat or cold can degrade the blower lifespan and performance. Avoid storing in direct sunlight during hot summer or freezing temperature during winter. So always store in a nice living environment and dry. Safe storage location. Keep the blower and component in a safe place out of reach of children. All right, very important. It's a tool. All right, so let's turn the other page. And the rest of the book, there's French. All right, with French from France, by the way, and also Spanish. All right, instrucciones importantes de seguridad. There's the link here for further information. Patio.com. There's also the postal code, US and Canada phone number. All right, Pacific time. There's also the postal, the address where it was made. So my good review is very nice, easy to read book. It only takes less than 9 minutes, and for you folks, 5 minutes is done. So it's worth. All right. You never go wrong with the safety warning just to bring you a thing. All right, so stick around. I'm gonna wait the next day. Really like it. I cannot thank enough the team at PATOOLIO. That name of the company right there. All right, stick around. Cheers. Good day, gentlemen and ladies. So we are the day after that I connect the battery pack and the electric leaf blower demonstration. Well, I'm going to do the demonstration today, but I just like to talk to you about the t-shirt that I'm wearing right now. I bought that t-shirt, well, it was given to me because I was participating in the law enforcing Olympic run back in Nova Scotia in 1995. I don't know if you can see the logo right now, but this is the, like, it was in Nova Scotia, 1995 law enforcement torch run. So you can see the Nova Scotia. Here you can see the torch run and everything is there. So basically what I'm trying to tell you, it pays to take care of the stuff because the t-shirt is very well preserved. So I take care of my stuff. So this is clearly a demonstration, and yes, I do wear old clothes. All right, so let's go back to that leaf blower. All right, cheers. All right, folks, so we have the leaf blower right there. Just before that, remember I threw in the freezer. That's been there for 24 hours. So let's try the, remember I was questioning about the, and yeah, the buckle is stiff, but I can clearly see, like I'm bending it and it's not cracking. Is it the right word, cracking? There's no cracks whatsoever. So I'm very happy about the quality of the rubber of the strap. That's clearly a good demonstration. Like I told you, my freezer is at minus 30 degrees Celsius. And the webbing is in good quality. So this is definitely a pass. So I'm just gonna clip that where it need to be clipped in accordance with the owner manual. All right. Just gonna clip it like this. So a very easy clip and very nice to adjust to.
if you need a kind of strap like this for a long period of time. But yeah, definitely it is worth it. Now, how about the plastic quality? Where are you? All right, so I have the plastic quality there. Let's go. Jesus. Yeah, that's, I mean, wow. Can I bang something more strong? Like, jeez. Yeah, definitely. Man, it's cool because you can see the ice effect in there. Like, my God. So I give definitely a 220% test reliability, reliable quality for the definitely. Wet. Yeah, that's good. All right. So let's clip it under cold condition. Whoop. Let's do that. A good test. Is it? Yeah. Okay. Just sometimes it's probably the difference between warm and cold. But oh yeah, it's clipped very well now. How about that portion? Yeah. So definitely this is a pass. All right, I'm gonna do that in an introduction video. All right, so let's do the battery. Yeah, I forgot it is locked in place. All right, now the battery, by the way, the battery itself, when I installed it, I went to work outside for an hour or so and the battery was charged. Now, there's no heat in the battery itself, so and there's a circuit breaker protection on it. But again, on the manual operating book, they said when it's charged, just remove it for safety because, well, we all know about safety, and it mentioned there. Let's see the light in the bag here. So I've got 4 lights. Everything is working. Now let's clip that. Very good clipping action. Oh boy. So. Let's do, I'm just gonna light up the light, so on. Wow, okay. That's, you can see my curtain down there, like it's moving. Let's do another one. Yeah, all right. Third. Yeah, it's just pushing hair. 4. Now, 5th. Wow. I'm impressed. Woohoo! All right, so about the noise, I'm very, if I go on, put it on turbo. Oh. Wow. Noise is not that bad. Now if I hold it, it's not gonna work. If I put it on, then I hold it. Oh, okay, you hold the turbo button. All right. Pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. Let's go outside to testing it. All right. Very impressed. All right. So let's go outside. All right, so let's go outside here. I put it, holy mackerel, yeah, there's a good suction effect in there. And it's meant for facial cleaning. I'm number 2 right now, as you can see. And it does push all the stuff around pretty good. All right, let's go around here in my trailer. This is what we need. All right, let's do another thing. You know what I can use? I'm thinking about that for all you tractor, subcompact tractor, crazy about washing the tractor. Use that to dry out your water because you know washing your tractor is not good. But if you are stick with that madness, use that for dry your tractor, then please do dry your contact cleaner, all your electric contact with contact cleaner, and then put the electric grease.
But this definitely will help to dry your tractor after you've been washing. Alright. Alright, let's go somewhere else to do a test. Alright, this is wet ground right here. So let's go do that. So 1, 2, 3. I'm pushing water now. Wow. Come on. Another application you can use is when you cut your fresh grass. Sometimes it does pile up and you need to move that grass away so it doesn't kill the grass under, causing lack of sun. So with that, definitely it will work. And you didn't need to have too much, just on 3 and it's doing the job. Look at that right there, and as you can see, let's put the camera in good place. Alright. So this is very wet right now. See wet? Let's put turbo. That is pretty impressive. What else I can use that? All right. Let's try another situation. So I put that thing. I'm just gonna work like this. All right. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Oh, with the turbo now. Alright, let's try the turbo. Another place you can use that is for you folks with well, it is built for that, for a large deck to clean off all the leaves. And I mean, you have a clear demonstration of the power. I'm pushing it. This is 0 3/4 rock, and I was pushing rocks with that. Pretty impressive. I mean, yes, I was using number 5. It worked on concrete at number 3, but on a turbo definitely is doing the job. All right, what else? Oh yes, right in front of my house.
that you can use that is for cleaning your garage. I know my good friend from Steel to Wood, Joe, will love to have these to clean, to push all the dust outside his garage. All right, now let's try to do some water testing. All right, this is one. This is two. 4, 5. Pretty impressive. Oh, I don't think the camera catch that, but anyway, I managed to empty with it a couple of perhaps 2-3 minutes. Pretty impressive. Of course, you don't compare that to my Still leaf blower, but definitely I'm very impressed. Wow, very impressive power. Now I've been at it since 14 minutes now. Let's say 10 minutes because I know I talk a lot. Let's see the battery consumption. Oh, look at that. So it's at 1 right now. So I managed to work like, it's 14 minutes right now, 14:27, but let's say 10 minutes of good work on various speed. Most likely between 3 to 5 and a turbo. And when I was pushing water, it was on turbo definitely. But pretty impressive. All right, let's go inside. All right, folks, so that was a video regarding the full description, talking about the PATOOLIO leaf blower, which can be a rock pusher, can be also sawdust from chainsaw pusher, leaf blower definitely. Snow, it will probably will, because as I was pushing very light fluffy snow, I'd say, not wet one, but I was able to push perhaps about a ½ inch thick water, like 1 cubic, not cubic, but 1 square feet of 1 inch thick water at the time, as you saw in the video. Also, I give you suggestion, I was riding on the concrete too. And the battery pack, like the battery is, it's not, yeah, it's warm, all right, and but not, it's just plain warm. And like I say, it's at 1. I'm just gonna put it back in the recharge, and I will let you know how long. On the video description, I'm gonna write down how long it took from 1 all the way to charge up, all right. I'm not going to edit the video until that battery is charged. Alright, so please, I will have a link of how to buy this very nice leaf blower, very light. It's rugged, very well built, strong build. You saw me testing it on the table. I mean, wow, I'm very happy to have that, and I can find also use to dust off inside of my aircraft. You know what, if they were able to build also a vacuum cleaner that's strong, that would be outstanding, because I surely can use that. But I will, for now, I'm gonna dust off my inside of my aircraft with that. That would be very good. All right, the handgun, all right, boom boom, the handgun is very well built. It's very strong built, easy to hold with my long 60 fingers, and yeah, definitely good, and trust me, that thing is sucking air, definitely. All right, I cannot feel the engine heat, but definitely it's cooled down. All right, so again, for the team who sent that to me, a big thank you very kindly to believe in me on my humble channel. All right, outstanding product, very well built plastic. A lot. One thing I forgot, look at the amount of screws. All the black dot that you see, that you are seeing right there, this is like a testament of their well built. 19 screws who hold that thing together. That's telling you how rugged that thing is. Wow, they really want to make sure that it's all stuck together, so that gives you a good quality. I'm very impressed at the amount of screws that they put. Yeah, very impressive. So thank you again, and the affiliate link, not the affiliate link, the link to buy that thing, it's right on my on the video description. All right, but again, thank you very kindly for all your standing support, comment. Let's help each other, and remember, folks, despite of the ton of rain that we have here, life is very good. All right, cheers.